Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing only what you need. Node, JS LTS installed, and a code editor open. Once done, initialize npm with npm init and install a simple dev server so you can view changes live. Create a project folder with index, HTML main, CSS and main, JS, and link the JS file with a script tag placed before the closing body tag. Make sure to use semantic HTML sections so JavaScript targets are predictable, and run the dev server to confirm the page loads. Next, implement the interactive behavior. Select elements with document. Query selector and attach behaviors using add event listener. Keep handlers small and pure. Once event wiring works, split logic into ES6 modules and export an init function that bootstraps listeners and state. This improves testing and reuse. When you need remote data, use the fetch API with async/await check response. OK, and handle failures gracefully. Also, make sure to debounce heavy events and update the UI incrementally so rendering stays smooth. Finally, prepare your site for users. Create a production build, minify assets, set node env to production, and bundle code only when necessary to reduce requests. Deploy to a static host or server, enable HTTPS, and configure caching headers for performance. Once live, test across browsers and devices. If something goes wrong, open DevTools immediately, check the console for errors, inspect the network tab for failed requests, and use source maps to trace minified code back to originals. This single troubleshooting step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.